In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up test coverage with Jira. This will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to integrate and use test coverage with your projects on Jira. First, let's start by heading over to Atlassian's official website. This is where you'll find all the collaboration tools for software, IT, and business teams. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials to gain access to your account. This is a pretty straightforward step, but if you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your email and password and try again. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Atlassian homepage. From there, navigate to the Jira home by selecting the menu option that directs you to your Jira dashboard. This is known as the control center of your Jira projects, offering an overview of all your active work and an entry point to access other features and tools that Jira offers. Now that you're at your Jira home, find the Apps option in the navigation panel. Click on this to open the submenu. Here, you'll see an option to explore more apps. Clicking on this will take you to a marketplace full of integrations and plugins that you can add to extend the functionality of Jira. In the search bar at the top of the marketplace page, type in X-Ray. X-Ray is a leading test management tool that integrates seamlessly with Jira, allowing you to manage your test plans, executions, and coverage efficiently. Once the search results populate, browse through them and select the X-Ray app that suits your needs. Take a moment to explore the app's details and user reviews to ensure it fits your project requirements, and then proceed with the installation. The marketplace facilitates a simplified installation process, so just follow the prompts provided. Once installed, the integration will enable you to track test coverage across your Jira projects effectively. With X-Ray set up on your Jira account, you're now ready to begin defining test cases and mapping them to your existing issues. This integration will not only enhance your project's test coverage visibility, but also help streamline overall project management and quality assurance processes. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set up test coverage in Jira using the X-Ray app. This setup is a great way to ensure that your software meets all its requirements with comprehensive coverage, enhancing both the reliability and quality of your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for further assistance. Happy testing!